Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe.
Hello and welcome to the 193rd episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. Wish you all a very happy feast of Saint John Bosco on 31st January. I'm your host RJ Brand of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. The headlines this week. 4-day Salesian Games mark centenary. Salesian Family Day celebrated. Kolkata School wins War of the Bands. Youth play Santa to remote villages. Festive season brings joy to children. The news in detail. Thailand 4-day Salesian Games mark centenary. Father Sufo Triungam reports from Banpong.
The Salesian Education Commission of Thailand organized the 10th Salesian Sports Festival to strengthen good relations among Salesian institutions and create a sense of what it means to be a Salesian student. There were 8 schools participating, 7 Salesian schools and 1 school of the Salesian Sisters in the sports meet. There was also an opportunity to celebrate the 100th anniversary of the Salesian congregation in Thailand under the motto, Harmony leads to the century, relationships and unity towards 100 years of the Salesians. Cultural and musical performances by students from various schools were arranged. Salesian Sports Festival began on 15 October 1977 to celebrate the 50 years of the mission of the Salesian congregation, which has worked in Thailand since 1927. These competitions are held every 3 years, alternating with the Salesian Scouts Jamboree and Salesian Academic Fair.
Father Sufo Triungam reporting. Child-friendly schools put children at the center of learning and engage them in play learning. Experts say children learn through example. Studies show that children pick up values of love, kindness, helpfulness, compassion, and acceptance of each other, not by hearing, but by seeing. Church Art Kolkata's Children series offer life-size statues and attractive murals of children in various learning, sharing, helping, and playful situations. These will inspire in children values of love, cooperation, kindness, and gentleness. For hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco past pupil at churchart.ganguly@gmail.com or WhatsApp or Telegram at country code 919831020945. Cambodia Salesian Family Day celebrated. Brother Albero Rodas reports from Phnom Penh.
Members of various groups of the Salesian family in Cambodia gathered on 13 January 2024 to participate in the annual celebration of Salesian Family Day held at the Don Bosco Technical School in Phnom Penh. Representatives of the Salesians, the Daughters of Mary Helper Christians, the Association of Salesian Cooperators, the past pupils, ADMA, volunteers with Don Bosco, the servants of the Immaculate Heart of Mary, and Sisters of the Queen Shield of Mary Immaculate participated. After the presentation of the Rector's Major Estrena for 2024 by Father Gerard Rabasco, On the dream of Don Bosco at the age of 9, participants recounted their own childhood dreams, explaining how those dreams had influenced their later lives. The meeting concluded with Mass celebrated by Salesian family delegate of Cambodia, Father Eugene Calco.
Brother Albero Rodas reporting. India Kolkata school wins War of the Bands. Don Bosco student Surodeep Sarkar reports from Kolkata.
Host school of mega musical event, the War of the Bands, won the first position among 100 competing bands from 10 states of eastern and northeastern India. The 5 bands that made it to the grand finale were the Perpetual Bad Trip from Delhi Public School Ruby Park, Academia Amplify from James Academia School, Fourth Note and Horizon from Don Bosco Park Circus, and the Newtown School Band. Bollywood maestros Khubor Mukherjee, Babul Shupriya and Jeet Ganguly were the judges. The organizers also arranged an elegant fashion show for the underprivileged children of the locality on the same stage. Horizon Band from Don Bosco School Park Circus emerged, winning cash prize of Indian rupees 1 lakh and the opportunity to have the debut single composed and curated by the iconic Bollywood singer, songwriter and composer Khubor Mukherjee. The first and second runners-up were the Newtown School Band, receiving rupees 50,000 and Fourth Note receiving rupees 30,000 respectively.
Surodeep Sarkar reporting. India Youth Play Santa for Remote Villagers. Miss Mona Lisa Rimbai reports from Shillong.
Young volunteers from Don Bosco Youth Centre and Don Bosco Media Network Television Shillong delivered Christmas and New Year gifts to the residents of a remote hamlet in Yalong, West Jantia Hills on the 14th of January 2024. The founder-director of DBMN, Father Michael Macri, handed over the goodies. Traveling 86 kilometers with 210 gift packets, the team reached Yalong and were welcomed by the Visitation Sisters of Don Bosco, VSDB. The program started with Holy Mass along with the local community, was followed by distribution of gifts to all the households and those present. This is the 4th consecutive year that the Don Bosco Media Network Television, in collaboration with Don Bosco Youth Centre, distributed Christmas and New Year gifts to the poorest families in different villages.
Miss Mona Lisa Rimbai reporting. Lahore festive season brings joy to children. Father Noble Lal reports.
Christmas and New Year festivities in Pakistan concluded with a celebration of the sacrament of confirmation to hostel boys in Johannabad by Archbishop Sebastian Francis Shaw of Lahore. Earlier, the seminarians from St. Francis Xavier Seminary visited Don Bosco Technical and Youth Center, came for Christmas caroling, bringing much cheer to kids' Christmas program. The staff of Don Bosco Technical and Youth Center had a spiritual retreat in preparation for Christmas as well as traditional secret friend gift exchange. It was followed by Christmas spiritual retreat on 18th December for students, followed by Christmas program in which students showcase their creativity and talents.
Father Noble Lal reporting.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.